Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you guys. Today was the Chanel 19K launch in Toronto, and I was lucky enough to get the two items that were on my wish list. So there were two items from this collection that I really wanted, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox them for you now. So I'm gonna get right into it because I'm really excited. This is a true unboxing. So here is the bag, and it's the receipt, and I will share prices with you after. So I have two items. I'm going to start with the smaller one. So this is the box. So this is, I've never had a box that looks like this before, so it's a thicker box than I'm used to. Okay, so you might be able to guess based on this type of dust bag. So here's the care booklet, and here is the dust bag. To reveal, this is the new sized O case. I believe they're calling it the small O case. And so this is one size up from the mini O case. And let me just show you the outside. Oh my gosh, the leather is so beautiful. So it's like a metallic gray sheepskin, and it's got the ruthenium hardware, and it's the 255 reissue style. So this one does not have the CCs here this size. And what I love about it, let me just take the authenticity card out. So it is a 28 series. What I love about it is the inside. It has the 3 card slots as well as a slip pocket here. And it's big enough that you could use it as like a little clutch as well, which is, I plan to use it as sort of a smaller clutch inside my tote bag when I'm using a tote bag. So I think that'll be really handy. But yeah, I love how it has the card slots, and this one is made in Italy. Yeah, so this is the new size for 19K. So pretty. Okay, so that is my first item. Put that to the side. Now for the bigger one. Okay. So here is the box. The camellia fell off here. Let me just peel that off. Okay, so that is the box. And let's just untie the ribbon. The beautiful Chanel tissue. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Oh, and it's in a white dust bag, which I'm kind of surprised about, but anyway, oh, I love the white dust bag, so that's really nice. And here is a booklet. I'll show you what that is after, and then the cleaning cloth and the care booklet. So here is the dust bag to reveal. Oh, never mind, not to reveal yet. She's wrapped it really nicely. Okay. So you can probably see from the side what it is. Here is my new 19K mini reissue 2.55 in the metallic sheepskin, and it's, so you can see why I chose this color, because they go together. I mean, not that I would use them together because this would be too big, but I like having matching sets. So they also had this in the So Black, in the aged calfskin and the black hardware, but I actually liked this one better. It felt actually more durable and sturdy, and I just think this leather is beautiful, and I thought they made a nice little set. So this is my second mini reissue. I love my navy one that I got from 19A, and I really wanted a reissue with the ruthenium hardware. So you can see the chain. Oh, it's so beautiful. And this leather it just feels like it will be so carefree. It's just absolutely beautiful. Feels very sturdy. It feels like it's got structure, even though it's like the squishy kind of style with the bowed base. It's still got structure to it. I'll show you the kind of grain of the sheepskin. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I know that it looks black in some photos, but this is coming up pretty true to color. It's pretty true to real life. I mean, it's like a dark gray with a metallic sheen. It's really beautiful. You really do have to see it in real life because in photos it just doesn't do it justice. So I'll show you the inside. It's just some tissue. So this one was made in France, which is nice, and it is, take the authenticity card out, I believe it's a 28 series as well. Yes, it's a 28 series, and it is so beautiful. So that's the layout. I will do a review on it once I've used it, but oh, it's just so gorgeous. I love the dark gray sheepskin with the ruthenium hardware. I just think this is such a great everyday neutral color. Now, I do need some advice from you guys. I have the navy one. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna grab the navy one. So I have the navy one, and I will show you them next to each other. So the navy one is the aged calfskin with the shiny gold hardware, which I love as well, and is also really durable. But I know that this one from this season, from 19K, has come out in a beige. It's like a metallic, it's the same kind of leather, the metallic sheepskin, but in beige, and also in a really beautiful blue, which I love both of those as well. I don't think we got those colors here. As far as I know, we may be getting them. I don't know for sure, but what do you guys think? Should I try to track down either the beige or the blue and get that and then sell this one? Because I love the leather and the hardware. I love the ruthenium hardware. Or should I just keep this one and so that I have one from each collection, one from 19A and one from 19K? What do you guys think? What is your opinion? If you've seen the photos of the beige and the blue, what do you like better? Do you like this one, or do you like the one from this current season? There is a difference, not just in the leather and hardware, but also there is edge stitching on this season's mini reissues. No edge stitching on this one. So that is my unboxing. I'm really, really happy to have found these two gorgeous pieces. Let me know what you think in the comment section, or if you have any questions in the comment section below, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. And before I end it, I almost forgot, as usual, to share the price. So let me just look at the receipt. So the small O case, the price was 770 Canadian, and I do know that the So Black one that I saw as well was a little more. I guess the black hardware always makes the price a little more, so this one was 770. And then the mini reissue was 4,000 exactly Canadian. Of course, that's all plus tax. So 4,000 Canadian and 770 Canadian. So that is it for this video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.